Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to change the IP of your switch. So first, what you want to do, you're gonna go to IP configuration, and then by default this is on, so you want to turn on static IP address, and then here you see your IP address. Now you can change it the way that you want it. I'm just gonna change it to 1, the subnet of course, and then you apply, and then you want to go to your settings, then your Ethernet, and then edit, and then you enter your change. In my case I changed the subnet, so I'm gonna change the subnet to 1, and save. And then you go to another tab, so 198.168.1.2.39, which is this IP in my case. Yours could be different. Then you enter your password, as you can see this will not work. I'm able to connect. Why? Because I've changed the subnet. And basically that is it. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.